Okay, go ahead and pull that up.
Okay, what's up?
Okay, so first things first. Hey guys, we are with Pure Scribes. He just signed up for the trial version of GroupConvert, and we're helping him with onboarding. So first things first, you need to make sure that this is synced. It is syncing, great. Make sure that this is signed into the account that you want to have it with your Google Sheet, great. So this is view only, so he needs to make a copy. Is this a copy? Yeah, this
Yeah,
view
you got to
only.
make a copy.
So
Yeah.
you need to make a copy. So for simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna name it his group convert. He can change this anytime in the future if he wants. I'm gonna click OK. Whoops. Oh well.
That's fine. Don't worry about that.
Okay, I'm gonna close the other one out so that we have faster speed. You don't need Gmail open either. Alrighty, now we click share. And then we get the shareable link, and it's important that the shareable link is in the can view mode. And then we're gonna make sure that this is there, great. Now we're going to go to this, and just so I can, gonna click refresh. And the link that people keep asking me, where do you drop it in? I thought that it was kind of self-explanatory, but it isn't. So I built it in to the onboarding bot. So the link is basically your group / request. So you can do it manually if you want. To get there faster, or you could click moderate group and then member requests.
There we go. Popped up. Yeah, see, that was the problem. My thing wasn't that URL there wasn't popping up. I guess it may have been because I didn't refresh it or I didn't have it on the view there.
Yeah, so once you click refresh, things get resolved with refresh, with restart. If you have any issues, just restart, refresh, clear cache, and then click, and then it will ask to get permission to enter your stuff. So you just click OK, and then now we're going to approve one dude just to test it out.
Yep.
So we're gonna approve this guy, Jerry, also in. So just for make sure that I'm gonna just put it into the chat or some. Well, I'm just
Yeah, not a
gonna.
big deal. It's fine anyways.
Okay. Approve. Okay, we approved him. Now we're gonna go and see where the data went. So now we're gonna go and click view data. And he got in here, and now we can push to Google Sheet, which is the manual thing, or we can automate it, which will make it run every 15, 60 minutes and however many minutes you want to do. So now we're gonna push to the Google Sheet, and it's going to say, are you sure we're gonna clear data? The reason why it says that is because we don't want repeated data pushed to the Google Sheet. Now we're gonna click open Google Sheet, even though it's already open there. Let's say it's not open. It's easy for you to just click that button. And then now you have all the information in your Google Sheet. So an option you can do is, if you don't want to visit this all the time, you could say, okay, run it every 60 minutes. Then this will run every 60 minutes and push to the Google Sheet automatically. We have other options for you guys. You can upgrade to certain features that we have here if you want, and I'll just let you know your options for upgrading. So on the light plan, it's one group only, but you can always upgrade anytime to the silver plan, which is 1 to 3 Facebook groups. And the lifetime plan is unlimited groups. This lifetime plan is limited lifetime, so we're in the future we're going to take this away. We're going to only have monthly, but for now we have this available for you to purchase. This is unlimited groups, so it's probably the best and most favorite deal for a lot of people. We had the done for you package installation, which for peers, I'm doing it complimentary because I realize there's certain things that I want to highlight in this video for anyone installing. But there is a one-time charge if you want my team to go ahead and go in and install GroupConvert, which is what we just did. So for anyone who's mildly tech savvy, you can just do it within a couple minutes, very easy. But if you're just so busy, you're like, okay, I don't even want to bother, then you can just buy that. And this is complete A to Z setup, which is $127, which takes you further along. We'll take this information and then we'll create a zap for you to enter into your email autoresponder. And that's what a lot of people take value from when they have the information entered into the Google Sheet, because they want to then send their people through an email campaign.
Right.
And then let's see. Other things are, this is unlimited email automation. So we do use Zapier as part of our thing. And Zapier on the free plan is
That's a good deal, $12. I feel like I have the premium Zapier plan. I'm paying like $30 a month for it.
Yeah, this is a deal only for GroupConvert users. We add you to our team plan and it's unlimited zaps. But it's only for GroupConvert people. Yeah, so you get unlimited zaps, and so yeah, it's a better deal than what's out there, but you do have to be a GroupConvert user to utilize this deal. We also have a 7-day group that says group, but it's supposed to say Group Growth Jumpstart Kit. It's a standalone product. It's only $27, but it gives you, if you have no email sequence, no nothing, don't know what to do, this gets you started with 7 days of email template to kind of introduce you to your audience. And then this is the starter plan, no trial. This is for those who, for any reason, their card expired or whatever, and they want to jump back in. This is to update the card. And that's what we have for this. And you can enter this anytime you want on your browser by clicking upgrade or purchase installation. And this is the unlimited zaps. It leads to the same page. And this is just my ClickFunnels affiliate link. Anyways.
A quick question for you, and it probably is going to help a lot of other people. With that automate section, if you click automate and you put it every 16 minutes, does that mean every time I click the accept button, they're just going to get into here, and then I can go back to this thing and then click push to Google Sheet? Or like how did that work there?
No, once you click automate, you don't have to enter this at all. All you do is once you click approve, and our next feature is going to be automatic approval on here too.
Oh, cool.
So you're going to click approve. Once you click approve, that's all you need to do, because other softwares might brag that they have one-click automation, but no, they don't. It takes like 7 clicks to do what we do. 1 click. I measured it out. It takes like 6 to 7 clicks. You have to click. We just do 1 click. You just go to your group, you click approve or approve all. That's all you have to do if you turn on automation.
Awesome.
All right. So, yep, that's all. Oh, and if you want support, we have a Facebook group community for support. You click here, GroupConvert support, join the Facebook group. And if you have any questions, just drop it in there. And also the GroupConvert community group support in the unit section has all the videos on how to take your GroupConvert to the next level, which is connecting Zapier. Some people donated their time and made modules where they show you how to do Facebook custom audience, which is like next level, but definitely join our community. But yeah, there's free training and everything like that. All right, that's all. That's it. You're all set to go.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Kim. I really appreciate you jumping on here and taking the time to kind of help me out with this thing.
No problem, Pierce. Thanks for choosing GroupConvert.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. So now I'm gonna end this. All right.
Yep.
All right.
Awesome.
Bye.
Thank you.
No
Thanks,
problem.
Kim. All right.
Bye.